Today we're going to talk about basic inequalities. Okay, let's go for it. So, inequalities is an expression that indicates if something is less than or greater than something else. The open end of this symbol goes toward the larger number. For example, 3 is bigger than 2 and 1 is bigger than 5. 5 is bigger than 1. So like if there's 0 and negative 1, which is bigger? 0 is bigger, right? So this goes to the 0 side. Okay, when an inequality has the line underneath the greater or less than sign, it indicates that the terms on either side can also equal one another. For example, this indicates that A is less than or equal to B. When working with inequalities, solve them just like you would number equations, except that when you multiply or divide by a negative number, change the direction of the inequality sign. This part right here is really important. Some students ignore them and just solve it and guess the wrong answer. So this is the most important sentence right here. So what this means is, let's look at this equation, an inequality. So you have to divide by -4 in order to get the x range. So let's see, you divide by -4 and the -4 goes out, cancels out, and you get minus -3/4. But in here, that symbol directed to the x value, but now in here it directs to the opposite value. This is because as the sentence is saying, when you divide or multiply by a negative number, you change the symbol to the opposite side. So if it was like this, but you divide it by or multiply it by any negative value, then you change it to the other side. Same for here to this part. Also for these two. Okay, portraying when graphing inequalities on the number line, a hollow circle indicates that or that, and a solid circle indicates that or that. So what this is saying is a circle without any color in it, no black color, that means these, which is not like equal or small or equal or bigger. But when the circle is solid, filled with black, that means it also equals, which is this sign. So let's go for practice questions. How do I express x is greater than y? Easy. How do I express c is less than or equal to 3 times d? So we said this is smaller or equal for c. What inequality is expressed by this drawing? As earlier, the solid circle indicates this or this. So, and here, x is greater than or equal to 3, so it will be this. For number 4, what inequality is expressed by this drawing? This hollow circle indicates this or this. So as it is shown here, x is bigger than -2, so it will be this. And number 5, solve this inequality. You just move this 3 to the other side. This is 7. You don't have to change the direction of this inequality symbol because it's not multiplying or dividing by a negative number. But on number 6, you have to change it because in order to do this, you have to divide it by -1, which is the rule. So you change the symbol to the opposite side, which is to the left, and there you go. This is basically like these are the very simple methods of inequalities, and furthermore, you should know how to apply these to the functions. I mean, like, yeah, you also have to know like drawing how to graph functions of inequalities and with algebraic things. So yeah, you have to know to change the symbol and what hollow circle and solid circle indicates. So yeah, this is it for the basic inequalities. Thank you.